Are you making critical mistakes that could jeopardize your coffee shop's success? Find out now. Hi, I'm Victor, a restaurant consultant for Wayterio. I'm here to guide you towards building a thriving business. Coffee shops are a beloved and lucrative venture, but many owners unknowingly sabotage their success with avoidable errors. In this video, I'll reveal common pitfalls and provide practical solutions. Starting without sufficient capital. Starting a coffee shop requires a significant initial investment, and many owners underestimate the true cost, leading to financial strain down the line. Beyond the obvious expenses like equipment and furnishings, there are often unforeseen costs, such as permits, licenses, and marketing expenses. To avoid this mistake, it's crucial to meticulously budget for every aspect of the business, including equipment, ingredients, rent, utilities, permits, marketing, operational expenses. Conduct thorough research to understand the average costs in your area and factor in a buffer for unexpected expenses. Knowing your monthly costs and securing adequate funding before launching is essential to avoid running into financial difficulties later on. Neglecting coffee bean quality. Coffee quality is paramount in a competitive market, yet many coffee shop owners overlook the importance of sourcing high-quality beans. Understanding the different varieties of beans, roasting profiles, and brewing methods is essential to offering a superior product that delights customers. Consider partnering with reputable coffee suppliers or hiring a consultant with expertise in coffee sourcing and preparation. Invest time in cupping sessions to taste and evaluate different beans and roasts, ensuring that your coffee offerings meet the highest standards of quality and freshness. By prioritizing coffee bean quality, you can differentiate your coffee shop and attract discerning customers who appreciate a superior brew. Consider partnering with reputable coffee suppliers or hiring a consultant with expertise in coffee sourcing and preparation. Invest time in cupping sessions to taste and evaluate different beans and roasts, ensuring that your coffee offerings meet the highest standards of quality and freshness. By prioritizing coffee bean quality, you can differentiate your coffee shop and attract discerning customers who appreciate a superior brew. Overlooking branding differentiation. In a saturated market, effective branding is essential to stand out from the competition and attract loyal customers. Your brand identity should reflect the unique personality and values of your coffee shop, resonating with your target audience on an emotional level. Invest time in market research to understand your customers' preferences, demographics, and psychographics, and develop a brand strategy that speaks directly to their needs and desires. Consider elements such as your logo, color palette, signage, packaging, and customer experience to create a cohesive brand identity that sets you apart. By developing a strong and distinctive brand, you can build customer loyalty and create a lasting impression in the minds of consumers. Ignoring proper accounting and cost management. Effective cost management is crucial for the long-term success of any business. Yet many coffee shop owners overlook this aspect of their operations. Inaccurate pricing, cost overruns, and wastage can quickly eat into your profits and jeopardize your business's viability. Implementing detailed cost tracking systems for ingredients, supplies, and labor can help you identify areas of inefficiency and minimize waste. Standardizing procedures and training your staff to follow best practices can further reduce costs and improve profitability. Consider utilizing Wayterio's POS system to gain real-time insights into your business performance and identify areas for improvement. By prioritizing proper accounting and cost management, you can ensure the financial health and sustainability of your coffee shop. Choosing an inconvenient location. The location of your coffee shop plays a significant role in its success, as it directly impacts foot traffic, visibility, and accessibility. Selecting a spot with high visibility, easy access, and proximity to your target market is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. Conduct thorough market research to identify areas with high foot traffic, demographics that align with your target audience, and minimal competition. Consider factors such as parking availability, nearby amenities, and local business regulations when evaluating potential locations. If your current location is not meeting your needs, don't hesitate to consider relocating to a more favorable spot. By choosing a convenient location, you can maximize opportunities for growth and success in the competitive coffee market. Avoid these mistakes and set your coffee shop up for success. Invest in thorough planning and expert guidance to mitigate risks and ensure long-term viability. Share your experiences and insights in the comments to help fellow entrepreneurs thrive. Stay tuned for more valuable tips on building a successful coffee shop. Until next time.